Bullish Arweave cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $46.54 and $101.36 by 2030. Market experts accept R could reach $46.54 by 2025. Bearish Arweave market cost expectation for 2022 is $8.27. Arweave presentation. In the developing crypto market, new players are continually coming in, each with their contrasting primary, theoretical premise, and works. These variables alongside exchanging volume and the market cap proceed to create their steadily differing costs, like R's cost. Exploring through the crypto market to create a wise venture can be troublesome yet conceivable. This requires one's own examination to be continually creating and enhanced by specialized investigation given by specialists. One additionally must be continually observing the current endlessly cost expectations. Checking these cost expectations assists you with bettering comprehend the future direction, assisting you with making a drawn-out cost forecast. To purchase Arweave cryptographic money is a choice one can make in the wake of being entirely educated about what the cash is, the manner by which it capabilities, and what are its beginnings. The most effective method to work will be made sense of through a specialized examination of Arweave and its starting points through major investigation. These will likewise incorporate a comprehension of the ongoing exchanging value, the typical figure value, the typical value, the base cost, and the most extreme cost level. What is Arweave? The Arweave network is a decentralized information stockpiling organization. It is a novel blockchain-based stage that empowers super durable, secure, and effective information stockpiling. The local badge of the Arweave network is R. The Arweave network was sent off in 2017. The primary point of the Arweave network is to give a super durable and oversight-safe information stockpiling stage. The Arweave network depends on blockchain innovation. The information put away on the Arweave network is changeless and can't be erased. The information put away on the Arweave network is scrambled and must be gotten to by the information proprietor. It is built on top of a fresh out-of-the-box new blockchain design called Blockweave, which gives a state-of-the-art agreement interaction and token financial model that urges network clients to cooperate to give long-haul information capacity. A solid, versatile, and financially savvy information capacity choice is presented by the Arweave convention. In June 2020, the Arweave network turned out to be live on the primary net. The organization's stockpiling and recovery capabilities require the organization's local token, R. Like Bitcoin, the verification of work technique is utilized to mine R tokens. Recently made R tokens and a level of the exchange expenses connected with the information put away on the organization are given to diggers as remunerations. Arweave specialized investigation. Arweave is a decentralized, super durable, and boosted information capacity organization. It is based on top of the new blockchain engineering, the Blockweave, which empowers a clever agreement system and token financial model that boosts network members to team up in giving super durable information stockpiling. The Arweave convention gives an information stockpiling arrangement that is secure, versatile, and practical. The local badge of the organization, R, is expected to utilize the organization's stockpiling and recovery administrations. R tokens are mined through a proof-of-work component. Excavators are compensated with shiny new R tokens as well as a piece of the exchange expenses related with the information put away on the organization. The Blockweave information structure utilized by Arweave is like a blockchain. However, for certain significant contrasts, blocks in a Blockweave are not fastened together straightly. All things considered, they are connected together in a lattice-like construction. This takes into account each block to reference numerous past blocks, which empowers the organization to accomplish high throughput and versatility. Arweave key examination. Arweave's agreement component depends on evidence of work. Be that as it may, not at all like Bitcoin, which utilizes energy-serious mining to get the organization. Arweave utilizes an original calculation called evidence of access. This calculation takes into consideration excavators to be compensated in view of their stockpiling accessibility, an organization network, as opposed to their computational power. This outcomes in an all the more harmless to the ecosystem and supportable agreement component. The Arweave network is intended to be extremely durable and changeless. Information put away on the organization is encoded and spread across different hubs. This makes it impervious to restriction and altering. Besides, information put away on the organization is reproduced and supported, guaranteeing that it will stay open regardless of whether parts of the organization go disconnected. The Arweave convention gives many elements that make it an alluring answer for information capacity. It, right off the bat, is conservative. Information is put away in a packed configuration, which diminishes capacity costs. Furthermore, it is secure. Information is scrambled and spread across various hubs, making it alter-safe. At long last, it is adaptable. A Blockweave information structure empowers the organization to accomplish high throughput and versatility. Arweave current cost. Arweave is at present worth $10.34 USD. R has moved 2.32% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,650,346. Arweave is at present position 98 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $344,656,006 USD. Arweave Value Expectation 2022. Arweave, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The R cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $15.51. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $14.48 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. R is supposed to have a base worth of $12.41. Arweave Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Arweave R cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of R will before long outperform $25.86. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the R's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, R will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $20.69 and a typical exchanging cost of $22.75. Arweave Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $36.20 and R might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. R is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $33.10 and a low of $31.03 in 2024. Arweave Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Arweave effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the R coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, R will be green in 2025. The R is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $46.54, with a base cost of $41.37 and a typical cost of $43.44. Arweave Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the R cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $53.78 by 2026, with a base cost of $51.71 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, R has a greatest value worth of $56.89. Arweave Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $64.13. On the off chance that R figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $67.23, neglecting to accumulate